Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a part 2 of the Sephora gift guide, Sephora sale, Sephora haul, if you will. Perfect for the holidays, and if you wanted to try something from a brand that you probably hesitated because of the price, I feel like this is the best time to get the most for your dollars. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet to join my family, and let's get started. I feel like most people right now are on a budget and we're trying to get the most for our money, especially if you have a long list like me. I'm Mexican, so we have a bunch of people in my family that we have to buy for, and I'm constantly checking sales and seeing if there's any deals out there that I can make multiple gifts out of. The first thing I wanted to show you was the biggest box that I have. If you have not watched part 1, make sure you guys do that as well, because I did show you a ton of the Sephora favorites, and basically they're like the sampler sets. This one in particular is for the candles. You get all of like the bougie candles, okay? So this is a really nice gift for anyone who loves a candle, and that's my mom. Also, I'm like, gross, what do you, why are you lighting candles for? Unless you know somebody knows somebody, it's kind of hard to figure out what scent that they would like and also what scent would smell good on their body, if that makes sense. So there's 5 candles and you get to pick one of them to redeem for a full-size candle. So I thought this was really cool because my mom loves candles, girl. I don't want to know what you're doing in candlelight. Girl, I know she's gonna love this. No shade on Bath & Body Works, but we all have that one coworker that just gets like the set of 3, like a body wash, a hand sanitizer, and a lotion or something like that, and they give it to you as a gift. I feel like there's really not much thought goes into that, but in this, you get to actually choose. You get to experience a bunch of different scents, and these are also really popular, viral, bougie. It's almost like the gift continues, you know? These cracked me up when I got them because on the website, I don't know what I was thinking. I thought they were gonna come in this big tote from Kosas, and look how tiny they are. Like, what the hell is this? If you've tried anything from Kosas, you know that the formula in these products are really good. This is the Kosas Wet Set Juicy Jellies Sheer Lip Oils. You get 3 of them and it's $25. They see Kosas, they're like, oh, okay, budget. The packaging is super cute. You actually get a really good size amount. I love the size of these products too because they're gonna fit perfectly in our cosmetic bags. To take off these stickers, just use a little bit of heat, which could be your blow dryer. Just peel it off without any trace of a sticker because they don't need to know how much you paid for it. I mean, girl, this is an amazing gift. Now, they have 2 sets and they keep selling out, so if you can get your hands on them, get them, girl, because they're really popular. I think they maybe sold out maybe about 3 times because I tried to get them. Now, for $5 more, this is their blush trio, and these are their baked blushes. So cute. Here are the little mini blushes. So pretty. The packaging is so cute too. Now they're not all like a wild color because we do have like a peachy orange here and then like a bronzy looking color. This is what I love about the holidays, is because it doesn't have to be for other people. You can get it for yourself too, okay? The next one I wanted to share with you guys is from Lys Beauty. Now I only have one product from them, and it is their contour stick, and I absolutely love it. I hope I'm not running out because I use it every single time that I do my makeup. It looks like this. Limited edition mini blush stick set featuring 3 creamy high pigmented blushes made for every skin tone, type, or occasion. Now again, if you have not tried any of the Luxe brands at Sephora, this is the best time to take advantage of these sets to try them because you get more than one product, one shade that you can play around with and kind of get a feel of what to expect from these brands. Packaging is super cute. It's like this opalescent pink shimmer. So you get these 3 for $25. I got 2 sets from a brand that I'm not very familiar with, but I'm really excited to try these particular products because I see them all over the place. My niece, who just turned 21 this year, she's obsessed with Summer Fridays, and for good reason. I mean, the packaging's really cute, but I always see her lips. Her lips are always plump, girl. They look hydrated. I believe these also smell good too, and I just need some of that hydration in my lips, okay? Damn. So for $49, you get 3 of them, but if you were to just buy one, it's $24 each, so that's actually a pretty good deal. This is in the shade Cherry. This is in the shade Sweet Mint and Pink Sugar. This is gonna be a really nice gift. These were impossible to find. They actually just restocked them, so if you guys are interested in getting these, $25, They're super popular, and the size themselves are really viral right now. I've been loving the smaller versions of things. This is so stinking cute. Girl, look how adorable this little guy is. This is in iced coffee, vanilla beige, vanilla, and brown sugar. I bought 2 of these, so I'm gonna be swatching these on my shorts, so stick around for that. This is the smallest, ma'am. I was not expecting it to be this small, but for $34, you get 3 minis, and these are from Laura Mercier. They are the Caviar eyeshadow sticks, and this particular pencil from Laura Mercier has lasted me years. I'm sure it's well over its expired date, but I don't give a damn. My eye's not falling off and it still works. You just need a little bit and it works amazing. I feel like the size of the box, the size of the product, I don't know if I can justify spending $34. I don't know how excited someone would get, be like, here you go, here. You know what I mean? I don't know. I know it shouldn't be like that. Everybody should be grateful for what you get, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I mean, unless you're a bougie bitch and this is gonna go into someone's really expensive stocking, because if that's the case, adopt me, please. This next one's from Milk Makeup. And again, it's like this, one of those things. This is $40 and you get 3 of their mini little cheek sets. This is $40, but if you were to buy one of them by themselves, it's $24 and you get 3 in the pack. So there is a value here. You do get a lot for your money, and that's the thing that I love about this particular set, but let me show you. Okay, so these are the 3 products that you get inside. You get this shade called Work, which of course I already have it. It looks like this. It's a tiny little cream blush. This is a highlighter called Rad, and you also get a color called Rally. It's like a little bit of a hotter color. It's an all over color product. So it goes on super, super creamy. It's really, really blendable. So you can put this on your cheeks. You can put this on your eyelids. You can also put this on your lips. Next up, I got these little lip kits from Huda Beauty. Gorgeous! I actually bought 2 of the Bombshell, which is this one, and then I bought 1 of the Cocoa just to play around with. But I'm planning to give one of these to my sister because she's obsessed with Huda Beauty. But let me show you what comes in your little lip kit. This is so freaking cute. Mini lip gloss, and then you get a shorter version of the lip liner. I accidentally bought this twice because I seen it and I wanted to use it. Now this is actually the most affordable in everything that you've seen today, considering the size of the product and what you're getting. So this is $15, and that's probably why I accidentally bought it twice. But this is a glycolic acid set, and let me open it so you can see it. So this is an exfoliating toner. You get 2 sizes, and you're gonna get this for $15. You get, what I'm gonna be using it for is for my feet, girl. I got the driest feet in town, and it's probably because I was talking too much shit about my mom's feet always being dry as hell, and now, hi, I am the mom, and I have her same feet. Thanks, Mom. This is the last set that I'm going to be showing you guys today, and this is from Salt and Stone, and this was $38, and I actually really, really love the scent. I think it smells so beautiful, so luxe. I actually wanted to buy this set because I got a little sample of the body wash in that Revolve 24 Days of Revolve Beauty advent calendar, if you guys seen that already. But it smells so, so stinking good. This comes with a lotion, it comes with a fragrance, and it also comes with a deodorant. And if I really, really do love the smell of the body wash, then maybe I'll invest in a bigger bottle. But for now, oh my gosh, it smells like a memory, but I'm just trying to remember like where the hell was I that I smelled this, and it just smells so good. That's what aromatherapy is all about, right? You smell a scent and you're like, ah, yes. Okay. Oh, this is mine, girl. This is mine, girl. Okay. It smells so good. Oh, there's like a little salt or something. Well, duh, Salt and Stone. Hello. An aluminum-free deodorant formulated for 48-hour 48 hours? All the cochinas are not washing their asses, or what's going on here? Oh. I could have thrown that away. The fragrance is built into the top of the packaging. I'm like, why is this so heavy? Duh, the fragrance is right here. push this out. And if you are still like, okay, no, I don't want to get any of those things because I'm not sure if they're gonna like it or not, a gift card's always the safest bet. This is a gift card, but it also has a mirror. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sure there's gonna be a part 3, so make sure you guys like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. I'll get on the next video as soon as my hauls continue to come in. I have done some shopping at Ulta Beauty and at Walmart because there's tons of sales that are going on right now, so make sure you guys stick around for those. Out of everything you've seen in today's video, I want to know what you would be the most excited to receive as a gift. If you have any requests for future videos, maybe even some vlogs during Christmas, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, take care, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!